Hello everyone, my name is Kamal and welcome to my project which is called PolyEstate, which is a part of the submission for Polygon APAC Hackathon. So what problem is PolyEstate aiming to solve? So we are aiming to solve the problem of real estate, and we all know how many problems occur in real estate, be in terms of privacy, be in terms of submitting lots of documents, the payment flow, everything is pretty slow, and there is no transparency in the real estate field. So we thought of revolutionizing this field with the help of Polygon and Polygon ID and technologies like Polygon ID, Circle for cross-chain payments and transactions, Polygon ID for the ZK thing and privacy. Settlement for was used for interaction of the contract with the front end and the whole development flow basically. Universe is a multi-chain API which is used for getting all the feeds and transactions. So let's take a quick jump in to the platform to see more. So so this is the landing page of the platform. As we see, it's beautiful and it has a nice logo. These are the NFTs that are being rendered on the marketplace. So what the flow of the platform looks like. So first the user consent. This is just the landing page. You have to click on authenticate first. So once you click on authenticate, you have to scan this QR code, and then you have to scan it with. First, you have to get your claim, and you have to get the claim through Polygon ID. So once you scan the QR code, you will get the claim first, which is issued by Polygon platform. So this is used for authentication. So once you get your identity gets authenticated, you will get a credential, and you can get it on issuer demo Polygon ID. Now, once you have a claim, now you can come to the platform and authenticate. So you have to just scan the QR code, and in this way, this will connect the wallet of the user, and it should be the same that he connects on the platform. So this is for the privacy reason, and once it's done, you will be allowed to create auctions and proceed on the platform. So yeah, you have to connect your wallet like this. So all this happens within the mobile and Polygon ID. So yeah. So here when you just have to connect your MetaMask, and once you click on the MetaMask, everything would be set up, and now you can come to the platform and create auctions and go with the platform. So once you're done with it, you can come to the platform. If you want to create an NFT for your real estate project, you can just click on create NFTs. And here is a beautiful form where you can click on the name, description, image URI, and also first you can like connect wallet. So your MetaMask gets connected, and my address and the network is beautifully shown. You can fill this platform and click on mint NFTs to mint an NFT, and then after minting the NFT, you can go on the list NFTs in order to list that NFTs to the marketplace so that other users can buy, or the other users can buy it. So these are the NFTs that I hold right now. So one of them is a room in independent apartment near Shaktinagar. So here you can see the beautiful image renders, and if you want to set it, you just have to set the date. For example, I want to set it right now, and when would the listing end on? So you can select it here. So and the price per token. So maybe I would create for now for testing 0.01, but you can create any much amount of, and then a transaction would pop up which would ask for the confirmation. Also, you need to be the owner in order to create direct listing. Since I'm not the owner of this NFT which has the token ID 1, it's not allowing me to list, but that's the cool feature that we provide, that you have to be an owner, of course. Now we'll show you how you can create an auction for your real estate properties. So you can go to create auction, and here auction type for sale. Now the beautiful thing is that we provide these three features, and you can click on next. Here you have to upload a photo of the your auction that you would be creating. For example, let me just choose this one, and a title, for example, like uh, Shakti auction, which is like auction, and you can like write a cool description. I'll go fast on this, and you can select on next. And here you have to for example, we know that in an auction there could be like multiple things that would be set for auction. So here you could like select the number of items you sell in auction. For example, say I want to sell two things, and the first could be the image of the house, and the second could be like the item amount it's asking. It could be like individual items, for example flower vase and TV and fridge. We know that there could be multiple things set for auction, so this feature is provided for that reason. The second thing that I can choose is, for example, let's say there's a field also, or maybe a bed. Okay, so we are saying like the first is the house, uh, and the second could be the bed, which is set for auction. Like we can select on next, set up the minimum price for auction. Okay, so you want to set like the minimum price for auction. Maybe it's 10 matic, maybe it's not. So next. So here, beautifully, all the things would be rendered out at the fifth stage of confirmation, where everything would be rendered out. This is A item, this is B item. The images would be rendered, and then you have to just click on create. So once you click on create, it will ask for the transactions to come. So here the transactions came, and it is the same. It is to the interaction with the contract. You can confirm. Two transactions came in because I clicked on two times, but you just have to confirm once. And once you confirm, uh, the auction would be set up. This is the contract interaction part, and it would be done pretty soon. It's all done on Mumbai. I canceled the second because both were same. So here the transaction is going through. It's a contract interaction. Um, So once it's done, your auction would be set up. So this is the final step for it. Uh, Let me also, the best thing is, if the other person has to claim on on the auction part, or on any transaction, he has to show the claim that we had on the Polygon ID. So that claim is verified that this is the same person with the same wallet address, thus ensuring all the privacy features. Uh, Now let me show you how cross-chain implementation is implemented. So if we go on the landing page again, so we will wait for NFTs to appear. So once the NFTs is appeared, we can click on one of them. So when it comes, we can like as another user, the current owner of this is 000, because you need to mint it in order to be an owner. Now, let me show you how you can pay with Circle. So here you have to just input your basic informations for the Circle to remember. So not to remember, but for the follow-up things, this is like optional. You can have it, you cannot have it, but amount is like, of course, like amount is needed. Uh, for example, 200 or 200,000. The currency could be USDC, and you just have to click on submit. So once you click on submit, this helps, and you should have USDC tokens in your wallet to do this. Now let me show you how it happens in the code quickly. So once the user clicks on the submission part, the API of the Circle is called, which sends the payment request through the Circle, and that is how it is done. We have all the contracts part in a different repo, which is there in the README. This is the Infura code part that is being implemented. Different sale informations, and this is the verification part of the Polygon ID, which uses IDEN3. So that is from the Polygon ID part, and the create NFT part, it uses the contract which is deployed on Polygon. Yes, so this is the platform. Everything is beautifully rendered. The description, the traits of the NFT. For example, since this is a PolyEstate platform which holds real estate NFTs, the traits would be like high-speed Wi-Fi, yes, professional housekeeping, yes, hot water supply, yes. So you can also get the offers or place a bid on this as a part of the auction. And this is the profile page where once you win any auctions, you can just take a look over it. This is your address, the prices, and the collected items would be listed out here. uh, so yes, that's about PolyEstate. All the code is open source and available at this repo. Thank you for watching. This was Circle. Thank you.